This is the Unit 4 Measures and Time Signatures quiz lesson. First, let's define what a measure is. When a staff is divided by a vertical black line known as a bar line, it creates measures. Bars are determined by these symbols right here, which are known as time signatures. Time signatures tell us important information about the music we are reading. They are presented as a fraction, but read much differently. Let's start with the bottom number. The bottom number on a time signature tells us which notes are the basis for determining a measure's length. 4 will tell us a quarter note, eighth will tell us an eighth note, a 2 will tell us a half note. The top number then tells us how many of the bottom number go into each measure. So for the first example, we have quarter notes represented at the bottom, and the top number tells us there are 4 of them. The second one says that there are eighth notes being counted, and the top number tells us there are 6 of them. In the third example, the bottom number tells us half notes are being counted, and the top number tells us there are 3 of them. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then our 3 half notes. 1, 2, 3. Let's look a little more closely. Again, the bottom number tells us we're looking at quarter notes. The top number tells us how many. For example, the top number can change to just about any number we want. Here are 2 common examples using a previous example as one of them. So we already saw how there are 4 quarter notes, judging by the top then the bottom number of a time signature. Let's look at the 3/4, known as 3/4 time signature. The bottom number, again, tells us that quarter notes are what's being counted, and the top number tells us there are 3 of them. The next 2 are just like the ones we had seen before as well. This is just a reminder that the top number tells us that we are counting 6 of something. The bottom number tells us we are counting eighth notes. So in the time signature 6/8, it contains 6 eighth notes per measure. And then you can keep applying this all the way to 2, which is comprised of 3 half notes. Here are all of the examples presented together. Use this information to help you complete the Measures and Time Signatures Unit 4 quiz.